excited na kami lahat lumipat sa bagong office. It's gonna be 4 times of the current headquarters. Dito tayo sa lumang office. Look at how sikip we are. Dati okay lang to kasi ilan lang kami. But now we are currently... Ilan ba kami sa office? We are 13 in the office. Just a few more weeks before kami lumipat ng office and lahat kami excited na. Sobrang sikip na namin. Current packing situation. Balang araw, babalikan natin tong video na to. At sasabihin natin, dati ganito lang tayo kasikip. Konting tiis na lang. I'm rushing to the office right now kasi dadating na yung mga gagawa for sa office. I still haven't had coffee. It's 7:30 a.m. So, yeah. It's a good day. Hey guys, so it's still a little bit echoey in here. I am inside the fulfillment team's office. Dito yung mga persons. Probably I will have a better office tour. But this is the warehouse. Ito naman yung office, main office. So this is where my office will be. Dito din yung storefront. So from here to there, medyo tatakpan hanggang dito for the storefront. And I am really excited about that kasi finally matutupad na ang aking zero waste grocery store dreams. And ito drywall na iniwan niya ng may dating may-ari. This is where my office will be. Pantry will be over here and common dining. This is where my managers will be and more teammates right here. Doon sa dulo sa wall. This one is the access to the common restroom pero ipapasara ko na yan. Time check, it's 10:20 p.m. and I'm still in the office. Ang dami naming pinak today, my gosh. The entire team helped with the packing for Mink, Lana, and other brands. Tapos, at the same time, naglilipat din kami ngayon sa bagong office. And lahat kami super pagod. But, ang saya lang kasi yung entire team nagtutulungan and I'm just really blessed with the kind of team I have here at Lana PH and Mink PH. Kasi everyone was, kahit alam mo na talagang pagod sila, go pa rin. And this is the kind of people that I wanna work with every single day. So, yes, I'm super duper blessed with that. And sa mga Lana PH team na nanonood ngayon, I'm really blessed to have you guys. So, super busy din kasi gumawa rin kami ng construction materials dahil tomorrow magsa-start ng gumawa. And at least that's done. Sobrang excited na kami lahat lumipat sa bagong office. It's gonna be 4 times of the current headquarters and we are really excited na makalipat na. I'm just doing more work stuff right now because I'm meeting our manufacturer tomorrow for upcoming brands. So stay tuned. Just giving you an update. So Hello! We are on our way to HMR today to look for mga gamit. Ang konyo. Papunta kaming HMR today para maghanap ng mga gamit for the office. And yun nga, as much as possible, mas gusto ko second hand. Kasi para tipid, para mas mura. Finally, palipat na kami ng office. It's been a long time coming. And sobrang excited na ako. We are looking for shelves para sa stocks, mga drawers, hopefully tables for the office. Dito na tayo sa office tables. Pero ang mahal, 3,000. Ang mahal halos lahat. Mas marami akong nakikitang online na mas mura. So, let's see. Hope I can still find more. Okay, lipat update. It's 2:06 AM and naghahanap kami ni Josh ng Wi-Fi router, Wi-Fi dongle, and Wi-Fi na hard drive. Baby, lipat diaries.
Kaso.
Currently, ilaw shopping for the office. Lipat office update. Papunta kami ng bilihan ng lights ngayon para pumili ng maghanap ng track lights for the storefront and mga drop lights pang office. Kakatapos lang namin sa lights. So, ngayon naman ay mga gamit sa office. Gastos never ends. For the sink. Nahugasan ng plato ng mga bagets namin. Almost done. 209, 201. The ref was finally delivered and meron na rin tayong sink, aircon, and yung pinaka-excited kaming lahat, isa sa mga pinaka-excited naming purchase is, of course, itong office chairs. Kasi dati, monoblock lang talaga kami. And sobrang excited namin makabili ng chairs. I wasn't able to find second-hand chairs na maayos. So, we just purchased from a friend. I'll also put a link down below. Ito yung compressor nga matawag doon ng aircon. So, this is what we got for the ref. And 489 yung EEF niya. It's a one-door ref na, ayan. Di rin kami nakabili ng second hand. So, yeah. Kasi,
ang tagal.
are you happy? Unboxing ng
yes! Ano kaya to? Parang hindi agad.
Binalot.
Oh my God. Sakit na. Likod ko. Iniban siya na umo.
Retention plan yan. Magandang chair.
Oh my God. Oo. Si Scully tsaka si Hitchcock.
Hey guys, lipat update. Finally, meron ng aircon yung 207. Pero, yung dalawa, wala pa. Because I bought it second hand. And, oh my gosh. Sobrang mahal ng installation, guys. I'm so happy with the tables. Look at that. I chose matte black. Eto, pina-fabricate lang namin to. So, we just bought mga metal na ganito. Tapos, inano na lang, wineld na lang to. And then, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito. Originally, I wanted this to be one block of wood. Sige. Sige lang. Pero, syempre, mas mura pag ito. And then, I'm thinking flat black na lang din yung color niya. It's a Saturday and we still work. And finally, it's 6:30 p.m. and we are quickly dating. Finally. Super pagod at kakatapos lang ng week 1 of construction para sa paglipat ng HQ. And meron ng mga natatapos, finally. And hopefully, makalipat na kami by next. Okay, so after eating, we're back to work. Naghahanap kami ng ref na pwede sa office. So ideally, syempre gusto namin inverter na. And yung mataas yung energy efficiency factor, which is ideally more than 500. So let's see.
That's intense.
Where's your butt? Bye-bye! Bye-bye!